Hi, this is Victor with spiceandadvice and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice Drink Edition. Everybody hears about Piña Coladas and they're delicious, but a Guava Colada is amazing. All you do is you start first with half a cup of coconut cream, cup and a half of guava nectar. You want the nectar because it's thicker. Half a cup of spice rum. You can use any other rum, but spice rum is the stuff. Blackbeard rum, that's awesome stuff. Then you put cup and a half of crushed ice. Cover it, pulse it in the blender, and high for like 30 seconds. Put some whipped cream. Cherry on top. And voila, Guava Colada. That is delicious. Enjoy.